Okay, so today our topic is putting our drawing in layers. So after you have done your drawing very nicely like this, put them into your title box, arrange all your structural drawings. Then the next thing is you put it in layers. When you say layer, this is the layers. You just look at the right. So we have layer 1 and layer 2. First, let's change our layers and name it to how we want it. So you just right click, then you come to rename. So I'm just going to put my layers, I'm just going to number it. Yeah, so I'll say layer 1, and I'll press enter. Okay, then the next layer, I'll right click, then rename. Layer 2, press enter. Then you can add more layers by pressing the plus button as I'm doing. So I want to add more layers, all right, up to 12 layers. Okay, so you continue renaming all of them by right click, then you press rename, right click, rename. Layer 4, um, layer 5, layer 8. Right, so after you have named your layers from 1 to the number you want, then the next thing is you have to put your drawing in them accordingly. Okay, you come to layer 1, then you double click inside. By double click inside, you see uh, you can zoom the drawing now to fill the layer. You can zoom the drawing now to fill up your layer. But when you try to use that zoom, it doesn't, all the corners will not fit into the layer inside. All of your title block will not fit in exactly. So what you do is simple. What I'm showing you today is very simple and easy. Okay. So in this case, you press Z, the letter Z. Press Z, then press enter. Right? Press Z, then press enter. After you press Z and press enter, then you come to window. You come and click on window, right? Then you come to your drawing. Make sure you zoom it to get the corner where you get the edge. Okay, so you click here, then you click the second edge, which is here. You see, then it has fit the layer has taken exactly, right? Okay, then you right click, double click outside. When you double click outside, everything closed. The layer is locked. You see? All right. Okay. Anyhow you now want you can zoom your drawing, then it will not go back again. All right. So this is our layer 1, right? This will be our first page. Okay. We'll go to layer 2. Go to layer 2. It comes. Then you double click inside again. Double click inside. uh, then you repeat the same thing. Press the letter Z, then press enter, then you click on window. Yes. So when you click on window, then you zoom up your drawing. You pick up this corner, then you come and click the next corner here, down here, right? Then to pick up. Then you right click, double click outside. Okay. You see, this is very simple and easy to use, right? Okay. Then go to layer 3. It continues doing the same thing, right? Double click inside, press the letter Z. When you press Z, you can see all the other options which will open. Like Z means zoom. So just click on zoom. Then there's a window with the options at the down here, which you come and select window. Select window. Okay. Then select the corners of the the window you want, corners of the drawing, the title bar, right? Okay. Alright. Come to layer 4. Double click inside. Click on Z. Enter. So when you click Z, enter, the program gives you a lot of different options which you can try. So we have all, we have center, dynamic, extend, previous, scale, window, object. So assuming you have a specific scale of that of your title box, then you can click on scale, then you come and type in the scale, right? So let's go with a simple method and the easiest way to do it faster. So you just click on window and then you come and click the edges of your title box and everything will appear perfectly, right? Okay, then you right double click outside. You are done. Uh, go to this. Then double click inside.
Hello, sunshine bright and clear. Morning rays whisper near. Open eyes, the world is here. Step outside, no more fear. Dancing shadows in the light. Colors bursting into sight. Every day feels just right. Hold on tight, take that flight. Hello, hello to the day. In the sunlight we will play. All our worries fade away. Hello, life, come what may. As the evening turns to gold, memories warm like stories told. Dreams ignite, we feel bold. Hearts of fire, never cold. Hello, hello to the day. In the sunlight we will play. All our worries fade away. Hello, life, come what may. Hello, hello to the day. In the sunlight we will play. All our worries fade away. Hello, life, come what may. Through the night and through the dawn, keep on moving, keep on strong. Sing our anthem loud and long. Life's a beautiful song. Hello, hello to the day. In the sunlight we will play. All our worries fade away. Hello, life, come what may. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. As the evening turns to gold, and with sunlight we will play. All our worries fade away. Hello, life, come what may. As the evening turns to gold, and with sunlight we will play. All our worries fade away. Hello, life, come what may.
put all your drawing in layers, something like this. When you scroll, you can see this is how it's going to look in the paper when it's printed out. So you can see the thickness is too much. So you simply, what you do is you simply just go and change that from the model, and then you reduce the thickness, right? Okay. Alright, so after you have put all in the layers form like this, then you press plus. You type plus. Then you kind of take a batch plus. Okay. When you type plus, then you click on batch plot. Alright, so the batch plot should come like this. So these are all your seats arranged arranged perfectly from 1 to the 14th seat. So the first one is the model. You just click on it, then you press on this button, this minus, then it has taken off. Then you click on publish, right? Okay, and then you are done. All of your drawings will come in the PDF form, arranged. They're very simple to be read. So you select the folder you want to save it in, put it on the desktop, and I publish.